Hey everyone, I hope you all are having a great week so far. Welcome back to yet another pick a card reading. My name is Rachna and I'm so happy to see you guys here. So, if you've never been a part of a pick a card reading before, essentially there are three piles in front of you, and the one that you're most drawn towards is where the answer lies. And for this week's pick a card reading, we're looking into the broad energies of what is in store for you, or what is happening, what your mental state is like for the rest of this year. So, essentially, we're looking into what is in store for you for the rest of 2020. Take a deep breath, clear your mind, pause the video if you need to, and once you've chosen your pile, you can fast forward to whichever pile that you've chosen. And as you can see, I am definitely missing going on holidays. So instead of choosing between numbers for the piles, we have a bit of a souvenir situation going on. So pile 1 is a piece of the Berlin Wall. Pile 2 is this little bell from Capri. And pile 3 is a little surfboard souvenir from Sri Lanka. That one actually was a gift. But yeah, okay. So I hope you guys have chosen your pile, and let's get started with the reading. So if you chose pile 1, then for the rest of the year, the main energy that you are kind of going through is retreat. Awesome. I think this is my pile, guys. So what this card is urging you to do is it's urging you to take some time off. It's urging you to spend some time with nature and essentially to seek silence and solitude. I think you are probably really exhausted, really stressed, because obviously this year work-life balance seems to have gone for a toss for most of us. So what this card is urging you to do is take some much deserved time off and just some silence. It's urging you to spend some time with nature, because what this card is also saying is that our body clocks are a little out of balance this year. So spending time in nature would definitely help you to kind of regain your energy and reset your body clock. So if you guys have been wanting to get some time off, plan a vacation, I know not all places are open, but you can maybe do like a short distance kind of a holiday, even if it's just like for a weekend getaway. Maybe like a nature retreat, or if you like yoga, maybe you could plan like a yoga retreat or something, or just basically it's urging you to spend some time with nature and yourself, because you definitely do need it. This card is also asking you to put yourself first, because this is a year where I think all of us are drained. We've given more, we've done more than we usually would do or are capable of doing, and maybe you're the kind of person that finds it difficult to say no, but I think now this is the time that you really need to put yourself first, rather than putting your responsibilities or your duties before yourself. This card is also asking you to take some time off from technology, because I mean definitely screen times are at an all-time high this year. So just essentially this year, for the rest of this year, that's asking you to take it a little easy, to get a break. And another message that is coming through is don't make promises to keep secrets that you can't. It's the time to be a little diplomatic. So I don't know who that was for, but that did come through. So essentially this card is asking you to seek some silence, some solitude, and spend some time with nature. So I do hope you get to plan this holiday, even if it's just for the weekend. But definitely, I think you guys deserve this. So thank you, Group 1, and I'll see you all in the next reading. So if you guys chose this little bell, I love this. It's so beautiful. Then the rest of this year, okay, lovely. Your broad theme is unconditional love. I am so sorry about the glare. I can't seem to solve this lighting situation. Okay, I hope this is good. Okay. So this card essentially is urging you to embrace your inner child. It's asking you to be kind to yourself. I also see this card as the card of self-love and pampering. So maybe just a bubble bath, maybe a day at the spa, maybe just taking up that that little class that you wanted, even if it's online. Maybe if you like arts or crafts or cooking, just basically giving yourself the freedom to do something for yourself. This card is also asking you to accept yourself for who you are. I think most of the times we are our harshest critic. So it's asking you to be kind to yourself. And this card also basically asks you to okay, is this better? Okay, this card also asks you to be very honest with yourself about if you're coming from a place of just seeking validation or conditions. It's basically asking you to look into the fact about if your love is unconditional or not. A lot of times we seek validation, and we put a lot of conditions on love, and we confuse attention a lot of times for love. So it's just asking you to be very honest about your intentions and your feelings. It's also asking you to heal any issues with your mother if you have, or your teachers. And also, if you have been looking to get some help, this is the right time to reach out and get it. So if you've been putting off seeing a professional for some help, there are some issues that you kind of need to solve. It's asking you to kind of sort them out right now. And more than anything, I think this card for me just asks you to be very loving, very forgiving to yourself. So make some time for yourself, do things that make you happy, and embrace your inner child. Don't let them get away. So I hope this helped you, group 2, and I'll see you next time. Okay, group 3, if this is what caught your attention, then for the rest of the year, the main theme for you, I'm not surprised this came up, is reflection. So I've been getting this card a lot in personal readings as well, which makes a lot of sense because in the tarot, this month is the month of judgment, which again asks you to reflect a lot. And again, end of the year, I think every time we come close to the end of a calendar year, we do all tend to get a little reflective, is that the word? Or we tend to at least reminisce quite a bit. Yes, that is what I was looking for. So this card is asking you, it also has a very similar energy to pile 1, so maybe you could also look at that. Maybe there's a message for you in there too. So I take this card of reflection as more than anything to be a card of self-reflection. I'm sorry. I love how these two are so similar. So like this, it's asking you to walk away from the pack, from people, and get some time alone, get some solitude, and to essentially get some distance and to give yourself some space. It's asking you to honor your personal space, your thoughts and your feelings. Be very, very true to yourself. I think you definitely need to get some time away to just reflect on how you're feeling, how what is motivating you, and to give yourself permission to be very, very vulnerable with yourself. Because if you're not true to yourself about where you want to go and where you're at, I don't think any of your goals would really be met. So this card is asking you to step away, get some time alone, and to really, really reflect about where you are, where you need to go, and more than anything, what your motivations are and what the source of your motivation is. So, yeah, I think that is one big message that we've been getting quite a bit. And also the thing is, when we're around and we're surrounded by a lot of people, which also is happening a lot more this year since we're all at home. So I think we're constantly around people the whole day. A lot of times our thoughts and our feelings are influenced by the people around us. So what this card is also encouraging you to do is to just step away and think without the influence of people around you about how you really feel about a situation or a person. So I think that distance is something that is really, really important for you right now. And more than distance, I think it's just time with yourself. And obviously, like the card says, reflection or self-reflection is how I really, really read this card. Also, this card is asking you not to gossip and to basically not keep any secrets. So if there's someone who does confide in you about things, this is not the time to really be someone's confidant. I think this is the time to kind of re-energize yourself rather than giving more of yourself to others. So for the rest of this year, I'd ask you to just put yourself first and take care of yourself. So that was your reading pile 3. I hope this reading helped you guys. And if any of y'all would like a personal reading, I'd be very, very happy to set it up for you. I hope y'all have a great week so far, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank you.